Trading is the most beautiful and important lifestyle that you must have. This is my real account, and making this profit, you can make big for as long as you have the right information about trading or investing. Simple. So now it's time to get out, family. And I believe wherever you are okay, you are all right, you are blessed, you are well. I pray for everybody who is not well will actually seek the help that they need. So for me, it's time for getting out, out. Withdraw, go and enjoy my money or do something, because this is my plan and it's not your plan. So whatever plans that I'm going to have for my withdrawal, it is my plan. All right. Anyway, be blessed. Subscribe, like, comment, share the videos, and make sure that you become part of this family by checking the channel daily to see if we have updates.